Oblock Louie has just been arrested and charged for shooting Lil Tim the night King Von passed away. Body cam footage has recently been released showing Louie firing multiple shots at a crowd of people in front of the police. This led to him being shot in the head, but luckily, he survived. Sadly, Slutty, who was T-Roy's brother, was also shot by the police but did not survive. Louie was then rushed to the hospital, and the only person charged that night was Lil Tim. However, Lil Tim's charges were dropped after he claimed self-defense, as the aggressor, King Von, attacked Quando Rondo first, and Tim was simply just protecting his friend. Many people are now questioning why Louie can't also claim self-defense, as he was shooting at the person who killed King Von. Unfortunately, it does not work that way. The stand your ground law does not apply if you are protecting the aggressor. In this case, since King Von was considered the aggressor, Lil Tim had the legal right to defend his friend. Tim even recently discussed the night of the situation in an interview with DJ Vlad.
In my mind, I just know, like, shit, I was just protecting my little brother.
When you did finally find out that it was King Von who died, how'd you feel?
I was like, damn. If Brian did that stupid shit last night, his ass still would have been alive.
In the heat of the moment, Louie felt like he had to protect King Von in any way possible. This caused him to not think and crash out ultimately, leading him to be arrested. It's rare to see someone arrested for a closed case that happened 4 years ago. Louie might have believed he had gotten away with it. But now, with clear evidence and body cam footage, it seems unlikely he will be getting away with this. Paperwork reveals that Louie is currently being held in prison on a $10,000 bond. Although it has been 4 years since King Von's death, it appears the police are cracking down on all the people associated with him before the incident, as most recently, Lil Durk, who was King Von's right-hand man, was also recently arrested and charged with murder-for-hire allegations related to get revenge on King Von's killers. Durk is still fighting his case, and many are hoping he will be released soon. What do you think about Oblock Louie's arrest? Do you believe there's any way he could possibly get out of this situation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And to stay updated on this story and other big topics in the rap world, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.